Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into a jump called cloud boarding animation using Pixverse. No editing skills needed and it only takes a few clicks. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Pixverse. You can use it on the website or through the mobile app like this, but works perfectly fine. And once it's open, just go ahead and log in using your Google account. And then after logging in, you will see a lot of AI templates on the homepage like this. And then next, just go to template sections. This one, just tap on it. And after that, just simply go to search bar. Just tap on search bar, and then just search for this effect, cloud boarding, like this. This one, just tap on it. This template that will create a dynamic animation where your photo looks like it's jumping and riding on clouds. It's super cool and cinematic. Next, just tap on use template, and then next, just choose your photo. Preferably, you can choose a full body or half body image for the best result. And then make sure the face is visible and not blurry. Like this. And when you're done selecting the photo, just tap on create. It will take 30 credits. Just tap on it and then go back and then go to mine and wait for the process. Okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. And okay, like this, your photo is now transformed into a cloud boarding animations. No complex editing, no hassle. And okay, that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.